Hi guys, thanks for joining us. In this video, I'm just going to answer some of the questions. Recently, we've got a lot of calls from you guys asking if you need to use a separate BACnet Explorer type software to see BACnet objects and things like that. And the quick answer is no. The BACnet Integrator software from Circon has a built-in BACnet Explorer interface that can be used to not only see the BACnet points from the Circon controllers that support BACnet, but also see BACnet points from other third-party devices that may be residing on your BACnet network. So let me just show you quickly what it looks like. So I'm just going to start the BACnet Integrator software here. And I have some Circon controls defined in this database. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the discover function, and then I can choose specific vendors or I can choose all, and then it will discover all the BACnet devices on my local network. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as all here. As you can see, I can choose specific vendors if I want to, and just see what I have. This is a very small network I have locally connected here. So, and you can see it finds a bunch of different controllers from different manufacturers here. Let's add this one, for example. So we add that one, and let's add this guy here, for example. Okay, so just minimize this. So I added these two third-party devices, and I just want to quickly show you that you can run object discovery on these devices and and see the objects in them. So for this one, I'm just going to double click on the device node here. So it brings me to the database pane here, and I can hit discover, and it goes ahead and it discovers all the different BACnet objects in that device. So let's add a couple of them to my database. So AI 1 to 4, let's add some, has some DO points. Let's add a couple of those. And then some AO points. Let's add some of that. Okay, so again, this is not a Circon device. This is complete third party. So what we've done is, as you can see, we can discover points, different objects, and we've also built in a little nifty command menu so you can override a DO if you want to. So as soon as you right click and override, it gives you all the priorities, tell you what's in them, and you can release or command at different priorities. For example, this DO is right now, it's off the present value, and I'm going to override it on, and I'm going to hit write, and you can see it writes at priority 8 because that's what I chose down here, and also the present value goes on. And let's say I wanted to release at priority 8. If I release it correctly, then it will go to the lower priority, and you can see lower priority in this case is 16, and it will remain on. But you'll see that it will get released. So if I move this here, you can see that DO1 right here is at priority 8. If I hit release, it's going to go back to priority 16, and that's where it's getting the priority from. Okay, and I can even release that priority 16 if I want. Okay, and it releases priority 16, but the controller, this controller itself, constantly writes to priority 16. That's why it came back. Okay, so that was just a quick thing. So you can see AO, same thing. I can override the AOs to whatever value I want in this third-party device, and you can do that with pretty well any third-party device. This is another controller. This one, let's hit discover, and it's got a whole bunch of other points in here. And let's see if anything looks interesting here. Well, this device, for example, has some trend logs. So let's bring in a trend log into the BACnet Integrator software, and let me see if I can view this trend log from this third-party device. So as you can see, BACnet Integrator is querying the device, and it's reading that particular trend, and you can see it brings it up. Okay, thanks guys. Another quick video just to show you some of the real powerful capabilities that we built into the BACnet Integrator software. Have a good day.